what I want to do is I want to buy mine, right? So I'm gonna buy the phone, and then I'm gonna buy the contract.
You're gonna buy the phone, and then you pay for the plan after I've activated it with a number.
Okay, but the thing is what I'm saying to you is I can only walk out of here with the contract that has a phone tied to it, right?
Right.
So the thing is if I try to buy the contract without the phone, you can't sell one, correct?
Not this phone, right?
Okay. So actually, they're tied together. I mean, I can put the money up here and you can take it however you want, but it's the same transaction.
Yep.
So. You see what I'm saying? Because I don't want to get in the middle of any of the nonsense going on with all these different carriers.
Yeah.
And I know that you're just doing your job. Boogie's tired.
I know, I can tell.
Because one of the things I've been telling people, and I tell you guys the same thing, Christina, is as Americans, you can never waive your rights.
Yeah?
It's for the Constitution. Unalienable.
Right.
Yeah, Bug? You want to get out? Can you wait for a second? Alright. Okay, come on. Okay, let's stay around here. Stay around here. Whoa!
Careful.
You okay? Okay, stay right here with Daddy. Come on. Boogie.
That's fine.
We're gonna have to wait.
Does he want some balloon?
Yeah, do you want a balloon? Come here.
See? So this is all it is.
Right there.
Yeah. So that's why
Like-
we just ring you up both
like
and then
I said.
same change.
It's all one transaction.
One transaction is just split into two.
No, I'm telling you, it's all one. Because the thing is you're saying that they're not separable. You have to have a device. So there's no way they can be separated.
Here, you can choose the prefix.
Hold on one second.
Right? So
Okay.
you can choose the prefix right here. So starting from 894, going all the way down to 415240. So it's all in order too. 8s, 7s, 6s, 5s, 4s, 3s, 2s.
That's fine.
240?
Okay. Can I see the agreement real quick to make sure that it has all the information relevant? And then can I see the box?
Oh yeah, this is the agreement.
Yeah. Thank you.
But let me, what I'm gonna do is, the white copy is mine.
Yeah, I know. 610214625 phone. And it's the MIE, right?
Yeah, that's a serial number.
Come here, Boogie. Yeah. 4N354.
To make it by internet,
okay. Like she takes a lot of pictures now.
So put in your phone number twice. So I'll write it down.
Those were probably bad files from the previous phone.
But she just took this picture right now in front of me.
This one?
Mhm.
She took this picture right now.
Yeah, right now. She took this one right now. This baby's
Hard deleted it and taking it again.
Could she be doing that with this one?
Sometimes it's just a phone. You might just have to power it off and power it back on. If not, you might need a hard reset.
Sorry.
Sometimes something's wrong with the SD card too. Could be the defective one because it's hard. Yeah, turn it off, turn it back on, see what happens when you take a picture again.
Alright. So let's make sure. So this is going with the contract, and it's on the contract. There it is. And then it's written right there. Do we have a phone number yet?
Yep.
Okay, what is it?
415
It is 415.
240
Yep.
3311.
It's gonna, no, you don't have to. It's gonna ask you, do you want to log into your account? You just say no. Yeah. And it's gonna ask you how much you want to pay, so $40. And then you go to the next page, and that's where you put in your card information.
And so I wrote it all down right there.
Thank you so much. No problem. So you can do that every month, and then just save yourself a trip.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Bye.
Last time because I am leaving.
Boogie! Give me. Take a picture. Okay.
Are you done with this? I gotta write
Yes.
something on there.
Yes. Thank you, Christina. Thank you for humoring me too. Hey, come here.
How old is he?
He's 17 months.
Oh.
I have a little one. I always have to watch out for. So unfortunately, I can't.
Another boy too?
No, him.
Oh.
I can't for the. I have to.
So this is yours.
Thank you.
And everything's good. You want a bag?
No.
You good?
No. I thank you with so much. So it does work.
It's working.
You're awesome.
I just tested it out right now.
It's cool.
Where did you go?
Yeah. Yeah, 17 months.
No, we don't.